Crotalus atrox, the western diamondback rattlesnake, initiates a strike in as little as 50 milliseconds, faster than any bird can consciously react. Today, it has made a mistake. The Roadrunner carries no venom, no armor, no talons built for killing. What it carries instead is something the rattlesnake has no way to measure, something that will not allow it to leave. The bird does not charge. It moves, forward, back, feint, withdraw, head locked. Every step is a question the snake must answer with muscle. A rattlesnake can hold position for hours without burning a single calorie. But this is not an ambush. This is a war of attrition. And in a war of attrition, the one who stands still loses. The snake understands this, and it still has its weapon. A single strike, one contact, 250 milligrams of hemotoxic venom, enough to destroy tissue, collapse circulation, and end any small creature within the hour. The jaw widens with each failed attempt. Not aggression, expenditure. The rattlesnake was not built for prolonged engagement. Every strike contracts muscle that cannot fully recover under the desert heat. It chose this strategy at the beginning. Now it is paying for it. Those who miscalculate rarely know they have done so, until correction is no longer possible. The Roadrunner reads the shift in rhythm. Its movements grow bolder. Strike, reposition, strike again. The snake staggers under the relentless, precisely timed assault. It wants to retreat. There is no retreat on offer. One last surge. Whatever force remains, spent against the grip closing around it. The muscle tension that once launched a lethal strike in milliseconds is now working against it. The bow can no longer draw. The bird moves in, deliberate, measured, feet pin, beak strikes. This is not recklessness. This is the final step of a calculation that began before the fight. The lock is applied in an instant. There is no answer to it. Perhaps the outcome was decided before a single strike was thrown, before the snake ever entered the nest. Stone, again, again, no mercy extended. The bird does not leave immediately.